The US and EU strike a deal, averting a transatlantic trade war. It's Monday, the 28th of July, and this is what you need to know. President Trump has landed his latest trade deal, a baseline 15% tariff on European Union goods, lowered from his recently threatened 30%. As part of the deal, the European Union has agreed to spend hundreds of billions in dollars on US energy products and weapons. While the tariffs apply to most goods, including semiconductors and pharmaceuticals, there are some exceptions. The US will keep in place a 50% tariff on steel and aluminium. The euro rose against the dollar as investors embraced the deal, and optimism pushed European stocks higher. More trade optimism this morning, as the US and China are expected to extend their tariff truce by another 3 months. Officials from both nations are due to meet in Stockholm today as they haggle on further ways to diffuse trade tensions. The Financial Times has reported that the US has paused curbs on tech exports to China to help President Trump meet with Chinese President Xi Jinping later this year. Our number of the day is $16.5 billion. That's a record order that Samsung has won to produce the next generation of AI chips for Tesla. Samsung will produce the new chips in Tesla's new manufacturing facility in Texas and will be used to power its autonomous driving systems. The deal's value is equivalent to almost 8% of Samsung's annual revenue last year, a major victory as the company struggles to win customers. Let's look at Boeing, our stock of the day. Union members who assemble Boeing's fighter jets in St. Louis have overwhelmingly voted to reject the company's latest contract offer as the company now prepares for an imminent strike. Any labour strife will be costly for Boeing's defence division, which hasn't earned any annual profit since 2022. It could be the last big trading week of the summer with a calendar packed. First and foremost, it's the Fed's meeting on Wednesday, where no cut is expected, but traders will be on watch for any clues about the path forward. Then there's a string of big tech earnings, with Apple, Amazon, Microsoft and Meta all reporting. Add some key indicators on the state of the economy, including GDP and non-farm payrolls. It's a pivotal week ahead. And that's what you need to know this morning.